Welcome back, dear students. So we are doing chapter on cube roots. So today we'll continue with our exercise 4b. Okay, so in the exercise 4b we have all the sums where you have to find just the cube roots. Okay, so let's take this particular question. So let me take question number 4 for you. I'll take one sub question from each question. So let me take question number 4 for you. Okay, so question number 4 says that you need to find the cube root of 1728. Okay, so first and foremost, what you need to do here is you need to factorize it. Okay, so let's see the factorization. Let's divide with 2. So when we divide with 2, we have 2 8s are 16, 1 goes over there, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. So let me do it quickly. So we have 2 again. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again with 2. So you get 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 8s are 16, again with 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, again with 2. So you get 2 27, again with now 3. So 3 9s are 27, and now with 3. Now with 3 gives you again 3, right? So basically what I saw here is, I saw that your 1728 is nothing but, let's see how many 2's are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is 2 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have got 6 2's and how many 3's are there, 1 2 and 3. So we have 1 2 and 3. Now I told you that when we find cube root, okay, so when we find cube root, what we write is, we write this one. So this is your cube root. So therefore your cube root will be equals to, so let me show you how much will be your cube root. So your cube root is going to be equals to this much. Okay, see here carefully. So cube root of 1728, in places of 1728 I have written these factors. Okay, now one more thing that I told you was you have to form pairs of 3 numbers here. Okay, so we have pairs of 3 numbers and we have pairs of 3 numbers. All right, now in place of these 3 2's I'll write only 1 2 into, in place of these 3 2's I'll write only 1. Okay, and in place of these 3 I'll write only 1. Now your job is to multiply them. So 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12. So that means cube root of 1728 is just 12 for you. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your answer. You will try the rest of the questions by yourself. Let's see another question. So let me take 2 questions from here. So let me take question number 2 and let me take question number 7 for you. Okay, so let's do first question number 2. Okay, so question number 2 says that you need to find cube root of 1 to 5 by 216. So let's find it. Okay, so first and foremost you need to again factorize numerator. Okay, so when you factorize it you get, okay, so let's see what do we get by taking the factorization. So we start with 5. So 5 2's are 10, 5 5's are 25. So again with 5 gives you this one, right? So basically you can write this 125 as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, right? Okay, now we have another number is 216. So let's find what is the factorization of 216. Start with 2, 2 1's are 2, 2 0's are 0, 2 8's are 16, again with 2, 2 5's are 10, 2 4's are 8, again with 2, so you get 27. Now with 3, 3 9's are 27, again with 3 gives you this much. So basically in place of 216, I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? Okay, So therefore, now you are asked to find, remember, cube root. So you have cube root of this one will be equals to cube root of this much. Okay. So let's see how much is my answer. So remember, out of 3 numbers I need to write only 1. Okay, and we have out of 3 2s I'll write only 1, and out of 3 3s I'll write only 1. Okay, so how much is this? So this is 5 by 2 into 3 is 6. So that's why your answer will be 5 by 6 in this case. Okay, so this is your number 1. So let me show you answer for number 2. Okay, so we have, see here carefully, number 7. All right, so we have number 7. So in number 7 you have 2 numbers, one is 3375 and another number is 512. Okay, so first let's factorize 3375. So we have factorization of 3375. Start with 5. So 5 6 are 30. So 3 goes over there. So 3 5 7s are 35. So 2 goes over there. So 5 5s are 25. Now again with 5 1s are 5. 1 goes over there, 17. So 5 3s are 15. 2 goes over there. So we get 5 5s are 25. So again with 5, so 5 2s are 10, 7. Now with 3, so 3 9s are 27. Again with 3 gives you this much, right? Now again we have 512. So let's see what is the factorization of 512. So we have, let's divide with 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are, 2 6s are 12. So again with 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again with 2, so 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, so we have 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2, so 2 16. Again with 2, we have 8. Again with 2, you get 4, and again with 2 gives you 2, right? So therefore we have, see here carefully, therefore we need to find cube root of what? We need to find cube root of 3375 into 512. Okay, now see here carefully. So this will be equals to cube root of, so it's going to be a long one. So 3375 is how much? It is 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? 3 into 3 into 3. So this is your 3375. Now in place of 512, we have how many 2's? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. I hope you will be able to do this. Let me erase this part, or else you can pause the video and note down the factorization part. Okay, so I am erasing this part for you. So we have, how many 2's we have written? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, now next is we have to form the pair of 3 numbers. So we have this much, we have this much, this and this. Okay, so see here carefully, we have, this is equals to, okay, so instead of these 3 I'll write 1, instead of these 3 I'll write 1, instead of these 3 I'll write 1, similarly instead of these 3 I'll write 1, instead of these 3 I'll write 1. Okay, now our job is to multiply them, isn't it? So when you multiply them, I'm sure that you are going to get 120. So that means your cube root of this particular quantity is 120. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's move on to next one. Okay, so next one is also pretty simple. I'll just take one problem from here. Okay, so let me take question number, let's say this one. Let's take this one. Okay, because just now we have seen the factorization of 512. Okay, so you remember from earlier exercise I told you that if I ask you to find what is the cube of minus 3, you said it is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So, it is minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So, 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So, basically cube of negative number is negative, right? We have cube of negative number is a negative number. So, that means the cube root of negative number is again going to be a negative number. Okay. So, that means we have, see here carefully, if I take this particular thing, that is cube root of minus 512. So, this is a negative number. So, that is why it is going to be just negative. Now, basically this minus can be taken outside. So, your answer becomes this much. Okay. So, first and foremost we need to factorize 512, but I have already shown you the factorization of 512 in the earlier problem. So, you saw that that was equals to how many 2's? 9 2's, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? Now, what you need to do? You need to first form the pair, okay? So, pair of 3 numbers. So, this can be written as, so negative. So, instead of these 3 I will write 1, instead of these 3 I will write 1, and instead of these 3 I will write 1. So, it is minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, right? So, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So, that is why your answer will be minus 8 for this case. Okay. Similarly, the same follows for the others. Okay. So, you take out negative first and you will have cube root of the other numbers and you will be able to find the cube root. Okay. So, you may pause the video and note down the solution. Okay. So, this time just wait a minute. So, okay. So, let me take this particular question from this. Okay. Let me take this particular question. Okay. So, in such case, question number 2, what you need to do is, see, first and foremost you are asked to find the cube root of 9.261. Okay. So, what you need to do is, first and foremost you will convert the decimal into fraction. So, it becomes 9261 divided by 1000. Okay. Now, the work is simple. First and foremost we will factorize 9261. Okay. So, factorize 9261 and let us check how much do we get. 9261 is there. So, if you factorize with, let us say 3. So, 3 3s are 9. So, 3 zeros are 0, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So, 2 is carried over, 3 7, right. Now, again with 3. Yes. So, 3 1s are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Again with 3. So, 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are, 3 1 is carried over. So, 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now, again with 3. Can you do with 3? No, you cannot do with 3. Okay. So, can we try with 7? Okay. So, let us try with 7. So, 4 times 28. So, we have 6 goes over there, 6, right. So, it becomes 63. So, 7 9s are, okay. So, we have 7 and 7. So, this is the factorization of 9261. Okay. So, we have, see here carefully. So, this becomes cube root of, so in place of 9261 I am writing 3 into 3 into 3 into, we have 7 into 7 into 7, 7 into 7 into 7 divided by, similarly this can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. So, we have cube root. So, in place of these 3 3s I will write only 1, in place of these 3 7s I will write only 1 7, in place of these 3 10s I will write only 1. So, how much is this? So, 7 3s are 21. So, 21 by 10. But our question was given in decimal. So, let us convert this into decimal. You get 2.1 as your answer. Okay. So, this is how we need to do. Others you know, right. So, for negative numbers you will take negative number outside as compared to last problem. So, you may pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so here also you have got similar kind of sums. You will try all of these by yourself. So, this will be your homework. Okay, now you have, see, today is Saturday, so you can submit all the works by Monday morning. Okay, so by Monday morning you can submit your work. So, you have got enough time. Okay, so with this we close for the day. Thank you very much.